In different parts of the world, healthy people have suddenly developed fever, breathing problems, and even deadly lung failure after cleaning dusty cabins, storage rooms, or places filled with rat droppings. This dangerous infection, called hantavirus. And what makes it terrifying is that many people have never even heard of it. Today, we are uncovering the hidden virus carried by rodents, how it attacks the human body, and why scientists still take it seriously. Let's get into the video. What is hantavirus? Hantavirus is a group of viruses mainly spread by rodents like rats and mice. Different types exist around the world, but they all share one disturbing trait. Humans can get infected by accidentally inhaling tiny virus particles from rodent urine, saliva, or droppings. If infected rodent waste dries out, tiny particles can mix into the air. When someone sweeps or disturbs the dust, they may unknowingly breathe in the virus. That's why experts often warn people not to dry sweep rodent-infested areas. The virus is rare, but when infection happens, it can become extremely serious. Once inhaled, the virus enters the lungs and begins attacking blood vessels. At first, symptoms can look completely harmless. A person may experience fever, headache, body pain, chills, and fatigue. It can feel just like the flu, but then things may suddenly become much worse. In severe cases, fluid begins leaking into the lungs, making breathing incredibly difficult. Doctors call this condition Is Hantavirus Pulmonary Syndrome. And this is the truly dangerous stage. Some patients need oxygen support or intensive care within days. The scary part is how fast the condition can escalate. Someone may feel mildly sick one day and struggle to breathe the next. One of the most famous outbreaks happened in the United States in 1993. Young and healthy people in the southwestern region suddenly developed mysterious breathing failure. At first, doctors had no idea what was happening. Some patients died within hours after reaching hospitals. Scientists eventually traced the cause back to deer mice carrying a hantavirus strain. The discovery shocked many people because the infection came from something surprisingly ordinary, the rodent exposure. Even today, cases are still reported occasionally in different countries around the world. Fortunately, infections remain rare. But because severe cases can be deadly, health experts continue monitoring the virus carefully. Unlike many common viruses, hantavirus has no specific antiviral cure widely used for all cases. Treatment mostly focuses on supporting the patient early, especially breathing support. That's why early medical attention matters so much. Another reason hantavirus is frightening is because people often don't realize they were exposed. You can't see the virus floating in the air. You can't smell it. And by the time symptoms appear, the infection may already be progressing. Researchers are also fascinated by how this virus affects blood vessels. Instead of directly destroying organs immediately, it can trigger leakage from tiny blood vessels, especially in the lungs. The good news is that prevention is possible. Health experts recommend keeping homes clean from rodent infestations, sealing holes where rodents enter, storing food properly, and wearing gloves and masks while cleaning risky areas, spraying disinfectant before cleaning droppings instead of sweeping dry dust. Simple precautions can dramatically reduce the risk. And remember, most rodents do not automatically mean infection. The virus is still considered rare, but awareness can save lives.